Myself, Darshan GATTY, first year CSC. Startup company Decca Ventures. Product present name Perfumes. Product purpose name Trigger Fusion. Empathizing stage. Mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customer during the empathizing activity. Long lasting, portable. Define. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of the customer, may new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name Perfume. Futuristic product name Trigger Fusion. Ideal state. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. Should have ingredients well blend, unique fragments, inexpensive, contain a proper outlet norm. Prototype. In the prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured due to time constraint. The mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. Testing. I request the viewers of the presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.